Hello everyone and welcome to another GA4 tutorial. Today we're going to answer one of the most frequently asked questions. What is the difference between traffic acquisition report and user acquisition report? Before we go there, make sure you like and subscribe. It really helps me a lot to create new content. And off we go. The difference is very simple. So if you go to user acquisition, starting from this report, and you pay attention here to the dimensions that we have to select, you're always going to see that there is this keyword first in front of all the dimensions. So first user default channel group, first user medium, first user source. Why this is the case? This is the case because this report, as per Google's basically definition here, includes only the channels by which users first arrived at your site or app. So what this means is I visit your website, let's say through Google search. First time. The first time that I visit your website through Google search, Google Analytics will come to this report and will record and visit under the first user source that is going to be Google, the first user source medium, which is going to be Google/organic, and the first user default channel group, which is going to be organic search. So this report includes only first visits. The first time that somebody arrived at your website, how did they do so? Traffic acquisition, on the other hand, includes all the visits, all the sessions. So as per Google's basically definitions here, session default channel group is the channels by which users arrived at your site or app when they initiated new sessions. So what this means in simple terms is, first time I came to your website through organic search, both user acquisition and traffic acquisition will record this visit. But then I visited your website, let's say a second time, a third time, a fourth time, a fifth time. These visits will be recorded under traffic acquisition, right? Because in this time period we are investigating, or whatever time period we are investigating, this user, which is me, for example, I first arrived through Google search, for example. So this is only what is going to be recorded here under user acquisition, the first visits on your websites and which channel is responsible for this first visit. Traffic acquisition is a more traditional report. It includes all the sessions, all the visits on the site. Maybe I visited the site 20 times. So all 20 sessions are going to be recorded under traffic acquisition. If you are a website owner, typically website owners use traffic acquisition report. If you are a mobile app owner, typically mobile app owners use the user acquisition report, because for a mobile app it's more important to understand the first time that someone started using the app, how did they do so, through which channel basically they came and they started using the product or the app. But for a website can be visited multiple times, and therefore we prefer to use traffic acquisition report, which is a more traditional holistic report that we have available in GA4. And that's the difference between user acquisition and traffic acquisition. In very simple terms, user acquisition includes only the first visits and how they happened, through which channel they happened. Traffic acquisition includes all the visits to your website. That's pretty much the difference and the answer to one of the most common frequently asked questions for GA4. If you like the video and you learned something new, make sure you subscribe and you like. It helps a lot to create new content. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. See you in the next one.